Gabe, Kate, and Dave by Miriam Hassan. My name is Dr. Gabe. I am a vet for pets. Jake came to me. I can fix his leg. My name is Kate. My job is lots of fun. I bake buns. Look at what I made. My name is Dave. The bus cannot run. My job is to fix it. I make the bus safe. What jobs can you see?